In this video, I'll show you how to check if your iPhone is network locked. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. From here, select About at the top. Once you're in the About section, scroll down and look for the Carrier Lock or Network Lock option. If it's locked, it will indicate that a SIM lock is active. For example, on this iPhone 16 Pro with AT&T, you'll see the network information here. To check more details about the lock, you can also copy your IMEI number. Just tap and hold on the IMEI number to copy it. Then open a web browser and search for IMEI check. You'll find websites that can help you check if your phone is locked. You can paste your IMEI number into these sites to get information about the status of your device. Alternatively, if you know which carrier your phone is locked to, you can go to their unlock page. For example, if it's a TNT, you can search for AT&T unlock phone and follow the process to submit an unlock request. You'll be asked to select your phone's brand, in this case Apple iPhone, and provide your IMEI number. Once submitted, the site may tell you if your device is locked. For example, it may show a message like, "You can't unlock your device until your installments are paid off." This means the phone is still under a payment plan, and it can't be unlocked until it's fully paid off. If you just bought this phone, it might indicate that there's still money owed on it, and you'll need to contact the seller to sort things out. I hope this guide helps you. If it did, please hit the subscribe button, it really helps me out. Thanks for watching.